So we're going to be doing a practice known as Viloma. It's an interrupted breath. Normally our breath is just automatic and it's hopefully reasonably even. But what we're doing is we're taking control of our breath and we're filling up from the belly, the chest, the upper chest, and then we empty upper chest, chest, belly. So when we put the pauses in, it's a little bit like going up and down a staircase. We breathe in and we hold. We breathe in a bit more and we hold. We breathe in a bit more and we hold. And on the exhalation, we exhale a little and hold. Exhale again, hold, exhale, hold. We always need to start by just recognizing our breath in our body, just feeling our breath in our body. So if you're comfortable, closing your eyes, bringing your hands into a mudra, either open or grounded. Just watching your breath flow in and out of your nostrils. Without changing your breath at all, just starting to count the length of your inhalation and the length of your exhalation. And if you're sitting upright, just taking a moment to check into your posture. Are your shoulders down away from your ears? Is your chest lifted, that front of your body stretched open a little without sticking your nose up towards the ceiling? Your tailbone down towards the floor, so not with a big curve in your lower back. Tailbone down towards the floor. And then starting to be aware of the movement of your breath in your body and trying to get your breath right down into your belly and up to your shoulders. So we breathe in, first of all, expanding the belly, then expanding the chest, then taking the breath up into the shoulders. As we exhale, shoulders released, chest contracts, belly contracts. So in, belly, chest, upper chest, contract, upper chest, chest, belly. So it can make it a bit easier if you really concentrate on your belly. As you start to inhale, let your belly expand. When your belly's full, then your chest expands. Then your shoulders expand. As you start to exhale, your shoulders relax, your chest relaxes. You can bring the belly button all the way in towards the spine. So just do that for a few breaths. This is just to really get used to that feeling of how you expand first the belly, then the chest, then the shoulders, and then contract from the shoulders, the chest, and the belly. So as we get into the practice, we don't want to be doing this exaggerated movement in the belly so much. We just want to know that that's how our breath is flowing. just a few more breaths like that. Okay, then we're going to start with the interrupted breath on the inhalation. And what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in 3 stages. We're going to breathe into the belly, we're going to pause, going to breathe into the chest and pause, breathe up to the top of the chest and pause, and a nice long exhalation. We're going to do that 5 times. So if at any time it feels like a stress or a strain, just stop and come back to your own relaxed breath. It's quite an unusual breath when you first start doing it. We're starting with a long exhalation. Inhale to the belly, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale to the chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, fill right up to the top, 1, 2, and exhale, just letting it all out. Again, inhale to the belly, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale to the chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale to the upper chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale. Inhale to the belly, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, to the chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, upper chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale. Inhale to the belly, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, upper chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale. Inhale to the belly, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, upper chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale. Inhale into the belly, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, to chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, upper chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale. And just coming back to your normal relaxed breath. Just closing your eyes, feeling into your body. Allowing your breath to settle back into its natural rhythm. Okay, so we're going to do it again. This time we're going to pause on the exhalation. So just taking a nice deep breath in, filling up belly, chest, upper chest, and then exhale, upper chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, chest, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, belly, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, filling all the way up, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, nice big inhale, filling up from the belly, the chest, the upper chest, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, and then closing your eyes, coming back to your normal relaxed breath again. So the last little section we're going to do is putting both of those together. We're going to pause on the inhalation and we're going to pause on the exhalation. So if you found either of those practices quite hard to do, just repeat those practices again, either just pausing on the inhale or just pausing on the exhale. And don't move on to this pausing on both breaths until you're comfortable with those other practices. Just letting your breath settle for a couple of breaths. A nice long exhale. Then inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, and relax. A nice long exhale. So what we're doing is it's like we're filling up a balloon, but we're filling it up in stages, almost like going up a staircase and back down that staircase. And just closing your eyes for a few moments, feeling the effects of that practice. Namaste.